welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Dodos. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and if this is your second or your third time and you have not subscribed, please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. Do not forget to click the notification bell so that every time I post a video you'll be updated. Today I'm finally bringing you guys my thrift haul. I definitely believe and subscribe to thrift shopping, but I know that there's something with like Nigeria, and there's kind of like a stigma to thrift shopping in Nigeria, because growing up we're made to believe that if you're thrift shopping it's because you could not afford to get new clothes. Trust me, all these are the things that we all need to just like throw away. If I have something and I don't want it anymore, or just doesn't serve the purpose in my wardrobe anymore, then you should totally go to someone else. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. I know you're already enjoying it, so just thumbs up now. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. In Nigeria they call it bend down select. I love thrift shopping. I've had a couple of like amazing things that I bought from thrift shopping, like from other parts of the world. So anyways, I've been talking to my friend Ifoma in Style, which is absolutely phenomenal, and she's like the queen of thrift shopping. So I said to her, Ifoma, girl, you need to hook me up. The most expensive item I bought was 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira in dollars is about like $3, okay? In total I got 3 blazers, 3 tops, 1 set, 2 trousers, 4 shorts, 1 bag and 2 hats, all under 15,000 naira. I know, right?
So the first blazer I got is this gray blazer. It has 3 buttons, slightly colored buttons, and the fabric is absolutely comfortable. One of the reasons why I love the fabric as well is that it's not so thick, so it works perfectly with Nigerian weather. I really love that blazers because it's such an effortless way to rock a blazer and still look very casual. I'm pairing it with this shorts that I also got from the market, and the fabric feels really soft against my skin, as you guys can see, and it complements my skin very well. This blazer is about, let me say, super extra large, and that's just the overall vibe and the look that I was going for. As you can see, the buttons, they basically complement the color. Moving on to this black blazer that I picked up. It also has 3 buttons. It's a bit more defined than the first one. It has a shoulder pad and very comfortable as well. Now everybody needs a black blazer in your wardrobe, and I feel like this is like the best way to slowly incorporate blazers into your look. A black blazer can be styled any way, with shorts, with skirts, with trousers. It looks absolutely stunning. And in this video I'm going to be pairing mine with denim shorts. I hope you guys love this one. This is one of my favorites. I know I said that the first time, but really this is one of my favorites. Next on the list is this pistachio blazer. One of my favorite things about this blazer is the buttons. The buttons kind of like a gold. The buttons just look a bit more like they were very thoughtful in making the buttons, and I really love that about it. I also love the color. I'm big on green right now, and pistachio or sage, I don't know what color this actually is, but I love it. That blazers can also be called oversized blazers. I don't know why the name that blazer was formed, but it's basically, it reminds you of your dad's old blazer. Now moving on to shorts. I always wanted denim shorts, and I wanted something that wasn't too tight or too loose. Although this is quite loose, I'm going to be using a belt with it, but denim shorts, a loose denim short is an essential in your wardrobe. You can style it with like big shirts, just the way I love it. If you also want, you can style it with a crop top or a, you know, snug top like this. And yes, you can see that. So the bottom of the shorts is kind of like torn, so I just rolled it up. I threw on the blazer just to show you guys how I can potentially style this look. The second pair of shorts that I got is this, I think, tennis shorts. It has pockets, it has a drawstring as well on the waist, and it's slightly above my knees. Fabric is very breathable, perfect, and I can wear anything with it, to be honest. Moving on to this ruched white linen shorts. I love this so much. I love the fact that the waist is ruched, so it gives it a very different style. Love the detail, love the pocket. Linen is one of my favorite materials because it's just so comfortable. Love these shorts, and I think I got this for about 500 naira. Next on the list is this beige shorts. It's also slightly above my knee, and I paired it with black belts just to give it like a more serious but not too serious kind of look. It has a zipper, it also has buttons, and the waist is elastic. It actually fits perfectly. It has pockets at the back as well. Now onto this army green or camel green blouse. I don't know the name of this fabric, but it feels like I feel like I'm tempted to say polyester. It's very light, as you can see. One of the reasons I love this is because of the drawstring at the bottom of the blouse. I never actually thought I would love a drawstring blouse, but I really do like this one. It looks super chic. It looks very thoughtful. I love the fact that it's also long sleeve and it has 2 pockets on the side and it has buttons. This is just my vibe. Moving on to this blouse is a sage green blouse, and this is a classic vintage blouse. The neckline, the cut, everything about it, the pleats on the sleeve, the buttons, and the fabric, it just feels like a velvety kind of like finish, and I love the color. Sage green is one of my favorite colors of the season, and I'm totally enjoying that. I feel like this is the best way I can incorporate colors into my wardrobe by like wearing pastel colors. They're still very soft but still very me and still very fun and playful. Next is this oversized shirt. It has 4 buttons. One of the buttons on top came off, so I have to get that to the tailors. I love this oversized shirt. I can wear it with shorts, I can wear it with pants, I can wear it with anything, to be honest. It gives that super chilled, effortless, I'm not doing too much kind of look. Now onto my set. This is an oatmeal colored set. It's a top or a blouse and trousers. The trousers are pretty big because in general this is not my size, but because I love to wear loose fitted clothes, I'm wearing this one. The fabric is kind of a wool. As you can see, it's like a woven wool. The fabric is not as comfortable as I would want, but nothing too crazy that I can't really wear. It has pockets on the blouse, a deep v-neck, and then the trousers are my most comfortable. Very big, very loose, and yes, it just completes the whole chilled vibes. Even when the blouse looks a bit serious, the trousers make it look very casual.
Now next on the list is this shoulder bag that I got. I think the shoulder bag was about 1,500 or 1,200. Really nice, really chic, and the color, oh my god, the color is stunning. It has like an iridescent brownish, bronzish, actually it's bronze, and it's just perfect. This is what it looks like. I need to take it to the, I don't know, to like a leather shop for them to polish it to make it really nice and make it look brand new again. I was just walking through and I saw some hats. I was like, oh my god, yes. So I got this hat and then this one as well. I think I got both of them for about maybe like 500 naira each. And yes, this is like a camel green bucket hat. I'm into bucket hats now, who would have thought? But yes, this is everything that I showed you guys, everything that I got. I actually got 2 denim trousers, which I need to show you guys. So I got 2 jean trousers. These are definitely not my size. This is a waist 44, so I already know that I have to kind of get this altered at the tailors. But one of the reasons why I like this trouser is just I can cut it however I want and just rock it. A big like boyfriend jean type of situation. This one I think is actually my favorite from 2. It's like a dark blue denim trouser, and I know that I can like taper the waist in and just let the other parts be baggy. This is the brand that is, I don't know, it's called Jips.
So yes, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week Friday.